Okay, this is a video. This is a video challenge 3 with Lancers and not with Overseers, for those that don't have them. Begin the attack the same way. Let's do technicals and get rid of the little buggy. Let's bring in some Lancers, see if they can do some damage for us. They work pretty similar to Overseers. They're just very unpredictable. They go, they don't go. They walk off on you. It's just the way they do it. Let's see how we do. We'll shoot this guy. Hopefully the Overwatch won't shoot us. Okay, see, the splash is not as good as the Overseers. That's all right. We'll take him out with a... we'll use an escort. Not worth dying over. Escorts will get almost no damage. All right. Let's go back in. Clear out the other side. No, that's not what you want. You want your Lancers. We're going to get rid of these guys. As soon as he goes away, we will shoot. All right, see, they don't have the splash. That's okay. The most dangerous things are gone. Get that to 0, and we'll send in our technicals, and we'll clear these guys out. There'll be a little bit of damage, but the Overseers are just a little nicer for that. Less damage. Wait till he goes away, we'll kill him, then we'll kill him when he comes back. All right, he's gone. Lancers. Let's take out what all that we can take out. See if we can kill him without getting any damage. Time will tell. Nope. Again, this is the disadvantage of Lancers. They have the same range, but they don't have the splash. That's okay. We'll make do. Guess what we'll use? Our handy dandy escorts. All-purpose killers. I mean, you could kill the whole base with escorts, but this way we're going to get less damage. All you do is kill it and then end. Keeps your damage down. All right, what do we got now? Okay, we got to take him out, so we'll send in some more escorts to clean him out. Then we can... No, they're damaged. They're damaged. There we go. We'll clear a lot of that stuff out with the Lancers. All right, you're gone. Lancers are back. Let's clean up some of this mess. So it's basically the same thing as you did with the Overseers. Lancers are not bad. They got good range. They just don't have good splash. They both have 600 range, Overseers and Lancers. Lancers are better for killing troops. Overseers are better for killing other stuff. Gotta watch out for him. I don't always pay attention. And he sneaks up on me and shoots me. See, the Overseers will kill half of these guys with one shot. These guys you gotta kill individually. Lancers just don't have the splash. Okay, here he comes. Here he comes, and he's gonna be a problem. Stop coming. All right. You know what we'll do? We got to kill him sooner or later, so we're going to go in and kill him now. No, not yet. We'll come back to you later. Lancers, back to work. We'll clean out this stuff. I don't know if we can get him, though. We'll try to shoot him, see if that makes a difference. All right, let's see if the Overwatch hits us. I hope not, but if he does, he does. We'll survive. See if we can get this guy. I don't know if we can. Nope. All right, stay away from him. He'll shoot you. Come on, move. These guys are not very responsive. That's why I don't use them a lot. But they sure make it easy. Okay, you're out of here. We will use escorts next. Because this guy will shoot your lancers. The tank will shoot your lancers. Let's get rid of them. Lancers again. How much time we got? Oh, we got lots of time. We just started. We will kill these guys, see how far we can get, and then we'll probably have to finish it off with escorts. He will do damage to your escorts, so we got to at least get rid of him. He will do damage to your escorts, you got to at least get rid of him. Watch if he moves. He's moving. All right, we'll finish it up with escorts. We're going to take more damage than we normally will, but we won't take a lot. Escorts to the rescue. Oh, got one right there we didn't kill. Once you kill the tower, stop, and all those guys will go away. You don't need to kill them. Now we just need to kill the one. So we'll send in a couple of escorts and clear that out. What do we got? So it's not real hard. In and out, in and out. That's it. All right, send him home. Hey, I think I should kill this guy. Oh, he's already in a bubble. I'll let him go for now. All right, what do we got here? Come back. They're not back yet. Okay. 1 minute for my technicals. Fixed. That's it. You're done. Seven minutes. Okay, now he was repairing from before. He